Hello everyone. Good evening. So making design. Good evening everyone. So we have to continue with the thing which we were studying in the last class. Now, yesterday we studied very less. Network issue was also there. So today we will study. Last class we have also seen number of sigma bond and pi bond. 1-2 questions we have done. So now you tell me answer for this question. You tell me answer for this question. कि how many sigma and pi bond in this? चलो आ जाओ. How many sigma and pi bond in this structure? Let's start. How many sigma and pi bond in this structure? Benzoic acid. Acha, benzoic acid you have counted. Benzoic acid was the homework, I think. So you can do like this. This is your benzoic acid. ठीक है ना? So if you talk about sigma bond, then 6 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5 hydrogen atoms. 5 hydrogen atoms. So you are saying 15 sigma, correct? 15 sigma, correct? 6, 6, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 4 pi bond. Benzoic acid. Clear? Okay. Jashwant. ठीक है, very good. So now you tell me about this. इसके बारे में बताओ. Tell me about this. How many sigma and pi bond in this structure? How many sigma? See, I have told you कि in bond line structure it is difficult to count the sigma and pi bond. In bond line structure it is difficult to count sigma and pi bond because atoms are not visible. Generally we miss hydrogen atoms. ठीक है ना? So be careful. Either you can make expanded structure, or if you are comfortable with bond line, you can proceed with bond line. So first of all, you will have to tell me few things. जैसे सबसे पहले इसका molecular formula बताओ. What is the molecular formula of this compound? First you tell me molecular formula of this compound. First you tell me molecular formula of this compound. First everyone tell me molecular formula of this compound. ठीक है? So how many carbon atoms are there? Many people will do mistake here only. They are not able to count number of carbon atoms correctly. How many carbon atoms are there? So listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So C6. C6. This is also one atom. Now I told you small pi bonds means one atom is here also. C6. Now you have to count H. Carbon should have 4 bonds. Be careful. So 1 H is here, 1 H here, 2 H here, 1 here, 1 here, 3 here. Correct? So 8. C6H8. Is it correct? Check कर लो एक बार जल्दी से. Is it correct? C6H8. Done? C6H8. Clear? Okay. Now we have to tell how many sigma, how many pi. So 3 pi bonds are clearly visible. 3 pi bonds are clearly visible. 3 pi. 3 pi. 3 pi भाई, 3 pi तो clear ना? 1, 2, 3. 3 pi bonds. Clear? Now let's count sigma. So first count carbon carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon carbon bond. So sigma bonds, if you will see, 5 plus. Now count CH bonds. Now count CH bond. So 1 CH bond here, 2 CH bond here, 1 CH bond here, 1 here, 3 here. So you can say 8 more, 5 plus 8. So this is 13 sigma bonds. Dekho, is it clear to everyone? This is CC, this is CH. So 13 sigma and 3 pi. See, many people wrote only 5 sigma. Arey, only carbon carbon you have counted. Who will count carbon hydrogen? Who will count carbon hydrogen? Is it okay? So can you see how we are doing mistakes? Many people joined late, around 15 to 20 students. So you can see the concept is very easy. I am telling from the first class, but chances of mistakes are also very high. Chances of mistakes are also very high. So be careful. 3 pi bond, 1, 2, 3. How to count sigma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 CC bond. How many hydrogen are there? They are connected by sigma bond only. So 8 hydrogen. How to find hydrogen? Complete tetravalency of carbon. Carbon having 3 bonds. 1 bond left. 1 is hydrogen. This carbon already 4 completed. No hydrogen. Here 2 bonds are there. 2 hydrogen. Got the point? Okay, that's it. So now we will start with a new topic. Now we will start with a new topic. You are having a test also on Sunday. Do you know this? You are also having a test on Sunday. They have given you the syllabus. So are you connected with any WhatsApp group where they communicate with you? Are you connected with some WhatsApp group where they communicate with you? Yes. So those people who are not connected, they can also connect to that place. So you are informed. Sunday, I think test is there. That will be in the app, I think, online. And objective questions, syllabus they have given. Syllabus is that thing only which we have taught you. That is bond line structure and all. Sigma and pi bond calculation. And there is one more topic. One more topic is about degree of carbon and hydrogen. Degree of carbon and hydrogen. So our next topic today is degree of carbon and hydrogen. Degree of carbon and hydrogen. Clear? Degree of carbon and hydrogen. And periodic table from last week's syllabus. Correct. Okay, done. So let's talk about degree of carbon. How we define degree of carbon? See, degree of carbon. You know carbon can form 4 bonds. So simple concept is this. Degree of any carbon is equal to number of carbon connected to it. Number of carbon connected to it. It is equal to, क्या बताओ? Number of carbon connected to it. Number of carbon connected to it. Like, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this question. See, everyone's octet is complete, 4 bonds are there. Check kar lo, am I missing any bond? All carbon are having 4 bonds, yes or no? Check it once. All carbons are having 4 bonds, just check it once. Correct? ठीक है? Okay, so now let's discuss degree of each carbon. Like, let's talk about this carbon. We will discuss about 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon, 4 degree carbon. 1 degree carbon also known as primary carbon. 2 degree also known as secondary carbon. तो बताओ 3 degree is known as what? 3 degree is known as what? 3 degree is known as tertiary carbon. 4 degree is known as quaternary carbon. Primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. Clear? Okay. आ जाओ. Now, can you tell me about degree? Now, everyone have to be quick. You have to directly type in the comment section. I will ask you the degree. You have to directly write 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, can you tell me degree of this carbon quickly and be quick? Degree of this carbon. 1 degree. This carbon is connected to only one carbon. Only one carbon. 1 degree. This carbon, 1 degree. This carbon, jaldi, quickly, this one, 3 degree. This is connected to 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. It is connected to a single bond, double bond, triple bond, doesn't matters. You have to just see how many carbon are connected. So this is connected to 3 carbon. Yes or no? Yes. So 3 degree. Can you tell me degree of this one? Bolo, I am giving you time. 2 degree. Can you tell me degree of this one? 4 degree. Correct. And these are 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree. Is this point clear to everyone? देख लो. Is this point clear to everyone? So how many 1 degree carbon are there? 5. How many 2 degree carbon are there? 1. How many 3 degree carbon are there? 1. How many 4 degree carbon are there? 1. So is degree part clear to everyone? That's it. This is about degree of carbon. This is about degree of carbon. Simple. 1 carbon is connected to how many carbon? Like, see, this carbon I am talking about, this blue one. This blue carbon is connected to how many carbon? This blue carbon is connected to how many carbon? 4 carbon. So the degree is 4. Quaternary carbon. This carbon connected to how many carbon? 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. Degree is 3. Tertiary. Clear? That's it. Okay. So now give me the definition of degree of hydrogen. Degree of hydrogen. Will you say the same thing कि hydrogen is connected to how many atom? That is the degree. बताओ. Will the definition be same? hydrogen connected to how many atom? Will you say like this? No, because we know कि hydrogen is always having only one bond. Hydrogen is always having only one bond. So you cannot say कि sir degree of hydrogen is how many bonds of hydrogen. No, because there is only one. Number of carbon, how one child is writing कि how many carbon atoms a hydrogen atom is directly bonded. अरे hydrogen will be bonded to only one carbon every time. ध्यान से सुनो, कॉमन सेंस लगाओ. कैन हाइड्रोजन फॉर्म टू बॉन्ड्स? कैन हाइड्रोजन कनेक्ट विथ टू कार्बन आटम? कैन हाइड्रोजन कनेक्ट विथ थ्री कार्बन आटम? नो नो. Hydrogen always having one bond. So if you will tell on the basis of number of bonds of hydrogen, you will always have 1 degree only. So what is degree of hydrogen? Degree of hydrogen is equal to degree of carbon. Equal to degree of carbon to which it is connected. To which it is connected. Degree of hydrogen will be defined from the carbon to which it is connected. Like this hydrogen, देखो इधर, this hydrogen is connected to which carbon? जल्दी बताओ. This hydrogen is connected to which carbon? जल्दी बोलो, बोलो भाई. This hydrogen is connected to which carbon? 1 degree. So this hydrogen is 1 degree hydrogen. This hydrogen is 1 degree hydrogen. आ जाओ नेक्स्ट, बताओ. This hydrogen is connected to which carbon? This hydrogen is connected to which carbon? 2 degree carbon. So that hydrogen is 2 degree hydrogen. So you tell me, as we have said 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree carbon, can you have 4 degree hydrogen? Can you have 4 degree hydrogen? No. 4 degree hydrogen means it should be connected to 4 degree carbon. 4 degree carbon means 4 bonds with carbon. There is no place for hydrogen. There is no place for hydrogen. So there is no quaternary hydrogen. 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree only. Is it okay? So let's take the above question once again. Or let's do some other question. This is the question near you. चलो एक और पाई बॉन्ड लगा देते हैं. लेट्स डू अ बेसिक क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. डन. देखो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एवरीवन मार्क कार्बन. 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon, 4 degree carbon. Everyone first tell how many. Everyone try to do on your own quickly. I am giving you time. Mark. Degree of carbon simple means how many carbon connected. I am explaining again and again same thing only. ठीक है. डन. आ जाओ. So tell me now, this carbon connected to how many carbon? Tell me the degree of carbon quickly now. Everyone should reply. If you will reply, then only you will understand. This carbon connected to how many carbon? 1. So 1 degree carbon. आ जाओ, let's talk about this one. This carbon connected to how many carbon? Next. This carbon connected to how many carbon? 3. So this is 3 degree. अब बताओ, this carbon connected to how many carbon? 2. 2. 2. 2. Clear? What is the degree of this carbon? आ जाओ जल्दी. What is the degree of this carbon? This is connected to how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a 4 degree carbon. Clear? आ जाओ next. This carbon. This carbon connected to how many carbon? Now we have changed this carbon. ये बताओ. 1 degree. This one also 1 degree. Is it okay? समझ में आ गया? तो बोलो how many 1 degree carbon? How many 1 degree carbon total? See, I am asking you question again and again. Every time I am asking you question. What you are telling, I am writing that only. So how many 1 degree carbon? 3. How many 2 degree carbon? How many 2 degree carbon? 4. How many 3 degree carbon? 1. How many 4 degree carbon? 1. Is it okay? Done? Okay. Now let's talk about hydrogen. See, whenever we have condensed form or expanded form, hydrogen is visible to us. It is easy to tell. But in bond line, people are not able to know only ki how many hydrogen are there. So first of all, you tell me, what is the formula of this compound? What is the molecular formula of this compound? Quickly, everyone tell me. What is the molecular formula of this compound? What is the molecular formula of this compound? Tell quickly. See, these are basic questions, but these are the foundation. Once you will understand these basic questions, then we can move to the next. Slowly, gradually, we are moving forward. So how many carbon atom? You will say, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 carbon atom. ठीक है. How many hydrogen? Many people will do mistake in counting carbon only. See, some people writing 6 carbon. H, how many? Many people have written 18. Correct, I think. 3 here, 1 here, 4, 6, 8, 10, 0 here, 2 here, 12, 3, 3, 18. Is it okay? This is the formula. Now you again tell me, how many of you gave this correct answer? How many of you gave this correct answer? Those who gave correct answer, put a like. button, press it. Let's see how many of you gave correct answer. Press the like button once. Kalavati, Sami, Boya, Navina. चलो ठीक है, फाइन 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 फाइन, गुड 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 गुड. Okay, now everyone again remind me how you find degree of hydrogen. जल्दी बोलो, how you find degree of hydrogen. How you find degree of hydrogen. Degree of hydrogen कैसे बताता? How you find degree of hydrogen. Number of carbon connected, Ajay. Hydrogen will be connected to how many carbon? 5, 4, 3. These people forget only degree of hydrogen is equal to degree of carbon. Degree of hydrogen is equal to degree of carbon. बताओ, whatever hydrogen is here, what is the degree of that hydrogen? बोलो इधर, whatever hydrogen is here, what is the degree of that hydrogen? 1 degree. All hydrogen here 1 degree. What is the degree of hydrogen which is present here? What is the degree of hydrogen which is present here? 3 degree hydrogen. Clear? So hydrogen degree is equal to degree of carbon. So can you tell me 1 degree hydrogen? How many 1 degree hydrogen? How many 1 degree hydrogen? You will say, sir, 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. तो क्या बोलेगा? 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. Total 3, 3, 3, 9. Clear? Can you tell me how many 2 degree hydrogen? Let's see how many of you are able to give correct answer. Let's see how many of you are able to give correct answer. 2 degree hydrogen. 2 degree hydrogen. बोलो जल्दी. You will say, sir, 2 degree hydrogen means तो here, 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 here. So 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So 2, 2, 2, 2. So this is 8. अब बताओ भाई, 3 degree hydrogen how many? 3 degree hydrogen how many? You will say, sir, here. And only 1 hydrogen is there. So 1. Can you have 4 degree hydrogen? Bolo. Can you have 4 degree hydrogen? Video is not buffering. I am saying like that. Hey, bhai. Those who are writing 111, 4 degree hydrogen, bhai. 4 degree means here. Are you having any hydrogen? 4 degree means what? Carbon connected to 4 carbon. There is no place for hydrogen. 4 degree hydrogen, never say. Clear? There is no 4 degree hydrogen. So hope you understood degree of carbon and hydrogen. बोलो, समझ में आ गया? Clear ना? बोल भाई. So now I will give you question like this. देखो, this is the question. This is the question. चलो, done. This is the question. So check कर लो. Are you able to imagine all the carbon having 4 bonds or not? एक बार जल्दी से चेक करके बता दो. All carbon having 4 bonds or not? All carbon having 4 bonds or not? जल्दी से एक बार कंफर्म करके बताओ. All carbon having 4 bonds or not? If you think sir this carbon not having 4 bonds, okay, chalo. So this is a type of a bit condensed structure only. Some bonds I am showing so that you are able to understand clearly. Some bonds I am showing so that you are able to understand the structure. अब बताओ. Now tell. So C having what? CS3, CS3, CS3. Yes or no? So if you expand this structure a bit, you will get like this. If you have problem, you can expand the structure a bit. Although this question is not difficult, देख लो. Done. Now come to the next part. So can you see? Can you tell the degree of all? Now quickly tell how many 1 degree carbon, 2. This is the last question based on degree. So do on your own and tell me final answers. I am giving you 1 minute. So they can ask you many things. They can ask you molecular formula. They can ask you sigma and pi bonds. They can ask you degree of carbon. So now I am not asking you sigma and pi bonds. I am asking you degree. So once you mark all the carbon with their degree, then I will ask you how many 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree. Clear? So take 1 minute time and then we are ready to start. Is it okay? Shall we start? Chalo aa jao. So let's see 1 degree carbon. How many 1 degree carbon? Let's see how many of you are able to give the answer quickly. 1 degree carbon. How many 1 degree carbon? Let's see how many 1 degree or primary carbon. You will say, sir, this one 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree. People are missing this one. Many people missing this one. 1 degree, 1 degree, 1 degree, 7. 2 degree carbon. त्वरगा చెప్పండి. 2 degree carbon. 2 degree carbon. 2 degree, 2 degree, 2 only. 3 degree carbon, 3 degree, this is 3 degree, only one. 4 degree, 2. Is it okay? देख लो, match your answers. If you are able to do, very good. Then I will ask you about hydrogen. Clear? Let's come to the hydrogen part now. Is it okay? Let's come to the hydrogen part now. Hydrogen. So 1 degree hydrogen, 3, 6, 9, 12, 12 and 9, 21. 1 degree hydrogen, 21, not 20, 21. Everywhere 333 ना. जल्दी आ जाओ. 2 degree hydrogen, 21. Counting error. 2 degree hydrogen. Tell me 2 degree hydrogen. Not 4, Kamala. See here, only one hydrogen are there. So 2 only. 2 only. Come to the next one. How many 3 degree hydrogen? Not 4. How many 3 degree hydrogen? Only 1. That's it. So now I hope all of you have understood what is degree of carbon and what is degree of hydrogen. Like this we can define degree of many things, like degree of nitrogen, we can define degree of oxygen also. Degree of alcohol, in fact we talk in terms of functional group, degree of alcohol, degree of amine, like this. Okay, so first you do this much only. And now a homework question for you. Now a homework question for you. You have to count in this 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon, 4 degree carbon, and similarly 1 degree hydrogen, 2 degree hydrogen, 3 degree hydrogen. So this is homework for you. Done? Understood the point? Now you can do one more question of NCERT where they are talking about degree. You can do one more question of NCERT where they are talking about degree. So till now what we have studied? We have studied about different types of structure. We have studied about degree of carbon and hydrogen. We have studied how to count sigma and pi bond. So 3 things we have studied at least. And some basic points like catenation, what is catenation? Some functional groups we have seen like carboxylic acid, what is the shape? Aldehyde, what is the shape of aldehyde? Clear? Okay. Now let's come to the next point, that is hybridization. So some basic of hybridization also we will try to know. We will start this topic today, finish it in the next class. Clear? We'll start today, finish it in next class. Your syllabus for the exam is whatever taught. I am telling you hybridization because you might have seen hybridization question also in NCERT. Tomorrow we can do some questions from exercise of NCERT also. From exercise of NCERT also. This also included a bit. Hybridization, or they have not written, but this also included. Clear? Whatever taught, that is the syllabus. Now we are not going to study what is hybridization, what are the points for hybridization. Nahi re bhai. No, not that thing. First of all, we will write one number that is known as steric number. Steric number is number of sigma bond plus lone pair. Means there is no role of pi bond. There is no role of pi bond. There is no role of pi bond. Now some people can say, "Arey sir, what is this lone pair?" Some people can say, "What is this lone pair?" Lone pair is, you can say, non-bonded electron pair. Generally, this will be of no use to us now. Generally, this will be of, generally you draw a diagram like this, na, ammonia diagram, you put two dots here. These are known as lone pair. Tum pani banata, water. 4 electrons are there. 2 lone pair. 2 lone pair. 1 lone pair. But I am telling you, this lone pair is of no use now. Okay? So we will deal now only with sigma bond. And you know how to count sigma and pi bond. So steric number, see, if steric number is 2, hybridization is sp. If steric number is 3, hybridization is sp2. If steric number is 4, hybridization is sp3. If steric number is 5, hybridization is sp3d. If steric number is 6, then something is there. But now in this, we are interested in these 4 hybridizations only. sp, sp2 and sp3. This only we will study now. There are many more, but now we study only this. Acha, one shortcut thing, you can say like this, you can remember 2 are there now, so I am writing 2, 1 S and 1 P. 3 means, see here, 3 things are there, 1 S and P 2 times, so total 3. 4, 1 S and P 3 times, so total 4. So you can say like this. Now how to talk about hybridization? See here carefully. Like suppose you draw the diagram of methane. What is CH4? Batao. What is CH4? CH4 is methane. How you draw the diagram? You say, sir, carbon connected to 4 hydrogen. Simple. Then you tell me how many sigma bond of carbon? Quickly tell me how many sigma bond of carbon? Jaldi bolo. How many sigma bond of carbon? Everyone should tell how many sigma bond of carbon. This is the last part. We have started. We will finish in the next class. How many sigma bond of carbon? 4 sigma bond. No lone pair. I have told you already. Lone pair we will not include now. We have also said we will study this much only. So 4 sigma bond. So what is the hybridization? sp3. What is the hybridization? sp3. आ जाओ नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Do you know this compound CH3CH3? What is this compound? CH3CH3. What is this compound? What is the name? Ethane. There is no pi bond, na? Ethane. You can draw the diagram like this, sir. Carbon, carbon, 3 hydrogen here. देखो, done. Now we will define hybridization. See how many sigma bond of this carbon? 4. So sp3. How many sigma bond of this carbon? 4. So this is also sp3. Is it okay to everyone? The name of this compound is ethane. Name of this compound is ethane. Is it okay? देख लो, easy only, I think. Easy only. Now you tell, do you know formula of ethene? Everyone tell me formula of ethene. Do you know formula of ethene? Yes. You will say, sir, you have told CnH2n general formula, 2 carbon I will put. So this is C2H4. So C2 means like this. Connect carbon, H4. 4 hydrogen are there. Now you will see, array carbon, carbon, so 4 bonds not there. Carbon you cannot see 4 bonds. So there is a pi bond. Is this structure clear to everyone? This is alkene ethene. C2H6 is ethane. C2H2 is ethyne. Ethene is C2H4, alkene formula. Now you tell me, how many sigma bonds are there with this carbon? Jaldi batao. Everyone try to tell how many sigma bond with this carbon. सिग्मा बॉन्ड 5 बोलेगा. हाँ, कार्बन का 5 बॉन्ड होता है. कार्बन इज हैविंग 5 बॉन्ड. हाउ मेनी सिग्मा बॉन्ड? 1, 2, 3. In double bond, 1 is sigma, 1 is pi. So 3. So what should be the hybridization? Bolo. What should be the hybridization? sp2. sp2. Similarly, let's talk about this carbon. This carbon, how many sigma bond? This carbon, again how many sigma bond? 3. So sp2. Clear to everyone? Very easy concept. Just count sigma bond and you tell hybridization. Okay. Do you know ethyne? Last question for today. Don't practice question of hybridization today. Hybridization question you have to practice in next class. ठीक है? So quickly tell me formula of ethyne. Ethyne is an alkyne. Formula is C2H2. C2H2 means 2 carbon, 2 hydrogen. See, 4 bonds not completed. So put here triple bond. अब बताओ, how many sigma bond of this carbon? How many sigma bond of this carbon? Two sigma only, 1 sigma here, 1 sigma here. In multiple bond, 1 is sigma, rest are pi. So 2 sigma means which hybridization? Bolo, 2 sigma means which hybridization? sp. This carbon also, how many sigma? 2 sigma. 2 sigma means what is the hybridization? sp. We have to find hybridization of individual carbon atoms. 2 sigma. So what is the hybridization? sp. So hope things are clear to everyone. Chalo, I am leaving you with one question. In this you have to tell a hybridization of every carbon. Chalo, 4 carbon are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all 4 carbon tell hybridization. Tell hybridization. Homework. ठीक है? So hope you have understood everything. Done. You have understood degree today. You have understood hybridization today. Hybridization, I am saying, we have started today. We will practice more question in the next class. We will see some questions of exercise also. Done na? So this is the QR code. Sharing is caring. So daily we are learning something. Instead of wasting our time, at least we are utilizing 2 hours to study something which will help us when we get enrolled in class 11. That question you are talking? Take it. That question we will discuss in the next class. This question and that question you remind me, we will discuss in the next class. So hope you have understood degree of carbon and hydrogen. Bolo jaldi. Have you understood degree of carbon and hydrogen? Correct? Have you understood a bit of hybridization also? So if you have understood degree of carbon and hydrogen, target for today accomplished. Chalo, ठीक है. Thanks everyone. Bye bye for now. Prepare for your test. Solve some questions. ठीक है? चलो, thanks everyone. Bye bye. Done? Any other thing? नहीं ना? चलो, thanks everyone. Bye bye.